Hello again, Milan from Milan's Motorcycle. You know, we live in Canada, it's cold, it's like minus 30 today, and plus the windshield factor. I don't want to go outside, I don't want to do nothing like that, but what I want to do today to show you something what, you know, I scored at about 30 years ago, and it's a original axle. The part number, it's 3995-41. The new updated part number after 1951 was 41551-41. Now you say, hey, what does it fit? Is that a knucklehead, poundhead? What is it? No, this is Harley-Davidson 45. And this package, as you can see, it's still original, even with the original beautiful label. And we're just going to kind of attempt to look what's inside. Now, I just sold it. You know, customer putting together his old WLA, and so we're just gonna see if we can, how much of it we can see and how they packaged it originally. You can see it was wrapped in the paper, taped with the tape. They put a label in the center on the top of it. But when we're just gonna kind of help it out here a little bit, and let me see. Like, I don't want to destroy it. Sometimes the packaging on small items, it's almost worth more money than the actual part inside. And look at it, they have another layer of a paper, they have a couple pieces of tape, but you know what, we won't be able to get on it. I mean, I'll slide this up, but I'll show you what's inside. It's actually wrapped in the cotton cloth, dipped in some sort of wax, and it's for protection, from the moisture. And I'll show you a little closer here, sorry about it. And that was done specifically for the Army surplus. If it was for Canadian or US or Russian, they packed it so as they transport that over the ocean, the moisture and, you know, improper storage, that it protected the parts to some extent. Now, this one fits, if I didn't mention, 1941 to 1952 solo 45s. So it could be WL, WLA. Please note that it will slide into your WLC, but again, Canadian government had a different requirements, and there was few things different between WLA, which is the American model, and the WLC. And the WLC had actually a bent T-handle on the rear axle, and that's in the parts book. This is the original reproduction parts book, I mean, for WLC 1942 and 1943, and that's where we will show you the photograph of that axle. You can see it now. So we thank you for watching again. We're going to pull out some more cool stuff. If you have any questions, you can get hold of us at milansmotorcycles.com. Thank you.